Good morning, my grade 2 children. How are you all? How are you feeling today? Are you all nice and relaxed and happy? Yes? Great. Now, today is day 2 of week 4, right? And this is your literacy class. Yes, it's your literacy class. Now, let's learn something, right? I hope you are not feeling sleepy. You all had your good and healthy breakfast. Yes? Good. Great job. Now, I want to ask you something that in your previous class, you must have done some poems, right? You must have learned some poems, right? Have you? Do you know any of the poems, right? Can you name them? Okay, if you are happy, all right. Now let's sing this. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Great, good job. I'm so happy to because you all remember this poem, right? Okay, now let's move forward. Now we are going to do some poems today, right? This is our topic for today. Now I'm going to show you a presentation and you are going to read some poems with me, okay? Are you all ready? Yes, yeah, let's go. Okay, it says, hey, can you read the poems right? Okay, yes, we can. Yes or no? Yes. Now, what is this poem about? When you look at this picture, what comes in the mind? Yes, that this poem is about fish. Great. Now, let's read it. Fishy, 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 in the sea, won't you come and swim with me? Yes, now this is about fishy fish. Okay, all right, now let's move on. What is this poem about? It's about popcorns, right? Do you love popcorns? Yes, I love popcorns too. That's great. Now let's read it. Pop, pop, popcorn, popping in the pot. Pop, pop, popcorn, eat it while it's hot. Pop, pop, popcorn, butter on the top. When I eat popcorn, I can't stop. Wow, great. So that poem was about popcorns, right? Now, what do you find interesting in this poem? All right, let's go. The apple. Up in the apple tree, high off the ground. I see an apple so big and round. I climb up the tree and hold on tight. I pick that apple and take a big bite. Good, great. So this poem was about apple. Great, good job. So what was common in all these poems, children? What do you find is similar? What was common? Yes? Wow, good job. Great. All these poems, they all have rhyming words. Wow, I'm so happy for my class. Great. So all these poems, they had rhyming words, right? Now coming back to our lesson. These poems, they all had rhyming words. Now there is a poem given in your book. I want you all to open page number 18 and read that poem with me. Okay? Now, the poem says, I wouldn't, right? Now, the title of the poem is I wouldn't. Okay. Now, let's read. There's a mouse house in the hall wall with a small door by the hall floor where the fat cat sits all day, sits that way all day, every day, just to say, come out and play. To the nice mice, in the mouse house, in the hall wall, with the small door, by the hall floor. And do they come out and play? When the fat cat asked them, well, would you? Okay, so this was a poem about a Fat cat. Correct. So what was here in this poem again? What was there? There were the rhyming words. Now can you find out some of the rhyming words in the poem and let me know in 2 minutes time. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. Start. Time is up. Okay. Now move on. What are the rhyming words here? You can say hall and wall. Great. Okay. Let me write it down. So the rhyming words here were, okay, let's start. Hall rhymes with wall. Okay, what about the other? Okay, small again rhymes with hall. All right. Okay. All right. Fat rhymes with cat. Great. All right. Now another word is, another word is day. Correct, Alia. Saad rhymes with way. Wow, good job. Okay. All right. Another word is say rhymes with play. Good, good, great class. So you can see these are all the words which they rhymes in the poem. Now hall, wall, small, hall, fat, cat, day, way, say and play. These are all different rhyming words, right? Okay. Now can you do an part number? Your task for today is I want you to just tell me few things about the poem. Okay, I'll ask you and you are going to tell me the answers. Now, which statement is true? Okay, you will tell me whether it is true or not. The cat is fat or the cat is thin. What was the cat look in the poem? The cat is fat, correct. The cat wants to play with the mice. The cat wants to catch the mice. The cat wants to catch the mice. Correct. Okay. Now, if you were one of the mice, now see, if you were one of the mice, would you come out? Would you come out if you were one of the mice in that house? There were so many mice in the house, right? If you were one of them, would you come out? No? Why? Because there was a cat waiting for the mice, right? Good, because there was a cat. The cat wants to eat the mice. So you will not come out. You won't like to come out of the house, right? Great. Okay. What do you think it is like in the mouse house? What do you think it feels like in the mouse house? If there is a mouse in the house and you are there, how would you feel? You will feel very scared. You will feel very worried, afraid, yeah? Because if there is a mouse in the house, then you will be very scared of the mouse. But if there is only mouse and cat, then who will be scared? Cat or the mouse? The mouse will be scared, correct. How do you think the cat is feeling? What is the feeling of the cat when there are so many mice in the house? The cat is feeling very hungry and very excited, yes, to eat the mice, right? Yes, that is how the cat was feeling here. So that means, children, that you know what are the rhyming words. What are actually the rhyming words? Can any one of you tell me that? Rhyming words are the same sound words. Correct. Very good. The words that sounds the same are the rhyming words. Now, to wrap up the lesson, I'm going to put my flower up on my board and I'm going to read few words for you. Now, what you have to do is you have to see which word rhymes with which word. Okay. So you have to find out the rhyming words. Okay. Now listen to me. Okay. Eat, sat, mice, cat, rice, hat, hop, play, top, mug, mouse, rug, ink, and pink. These are the words. Now tell me the rhyming words. Now, is there any word that rhymes with eat? No. Correct. Is there any word that rhymes with sat? Yes. Cat. Correct. Sat rhymes with Sat rhymes with cat. Okay. And also hat. Wow, great. Now what about mice? Is there any word that rhymes with mice? Yes. Mice rhymes with rice. Do you like rice? I love rice. Okay. Now, come on. What about hop? Is there any word that rhymes with hop? Hop rhymes with top. Great. Okay. Now play. Is there any word that rhymes with play? Play, play, play. No, there is no word. Okay. What about mug? Mug rhymes with great. Rug. Okay. What about ink? Ink rhymes with pink. Wow. Good job, class. I'm so happy for my children. Very good. Great job. You know all these rhyming words. You know what the poems have. They usually have rhyming words. And what are rhyming words? You know that also the word that rhymes, the word that have the same sound. Very good, children. So nice to teach you, right? Now, do remember to do your homework yourself, and if you have any problem, you are always welcome to ask me in the next class, okay? And don't forget to watch the Edward videos. Why? Because there are so many interesting videos, and once you watch them, once you like those videos, they will be saved. They will be saved for you, and if you want to watch it later on, you can watch it later on easily. So that's why I've asked you to watch the videos and like the videos so that the videos are saved for you. All right? Okay, my children. See you in your science lesson. Bye bye.